Hi everyone, this is Rishabh Chatterjee, and in this video we'll be taking a look at Steelbird's SA2 2-in-1 helmet. So watch the full video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to hit on that like button. If you are new to this channel, subscribe and press the bell icon and follow me on Instagram at @rcmediahouse. Let's get started. So the packaging is like this. We can see the helmet and there are some more accessories I can see on the right side. So we'll take this out. Okay, so there's like this package. And here's the actual helmet. So it comes in a cover and there's nothing else in the box. So I'll just remove this box and get back to you. Now we'll open this package. So the size that we have ordered is 580 mm. So let's open it and check what's there inside this box. Alright. Okay. Now let's take a look at the helmet. So we can see it's written Aeronautics by Steelbird. So very nice like cover for the helmet. Let's open it. Okay. So there's another like wrapping around the helmet. So I'll take out this wrapping, thermocol wrapping. Alright, so here's our helmet. This is how it looks from the front. Scratch resistant visor, SA2 Aeronautics by Steelbird. Be sure to remove this film. Okay, so before riding you have to remove this film. Here's the intake. Okay, here also there's an intake. Side, let me show you the graphics. SA2. Okay, back side also SA2 is written. Then we have the certifications written here as ISI. And this side again, the right side. And from front, this is how it looks. And this is the speciality. You can see this. Now before I wear it and show you, let me remove this visor, the like plastic, this film. Okay, it's out. So this is how it will look. Now you can see how it looks when I wear the helmet. So I'll close the visor. So this visor that you see, this is anti-scratch as well as anti-fog visor. So you can see this anti-fogging system. Alright, this is how it will look. And this is the, one second, I'll open this. So this is the winter padding that you get so that you don't feel cold while riding. Also the padding that you see inside, the padding that we get, this is the winter padding. So that while unboxing I showed you one more padding that was given. That is the summer padding. So when you want to ride in summer, so you can use that. So the material is different. This material that you see, this is a lot more like winter clothes, how we have the sweater type, that kind of material this is. So it'll keep you a lot more warmer when you're riding bike during the winter season. And this part that you see, this one is removable. So suppose it's not that cold and you don't want this part, you can detach this. So in the next clip, I'll remove this and I'll show you how it looks. But this is how you will look when you wear the full winter padding. So there's this zip behind. I think you'll be able to see. So I'll remove the zip. Okay. So you can see I've removed the extra padding liner that comes. This is the padding, that extra padding that we got. I've removed it. Also, I'll show you how does the inner padding look. So if you take a close look, see this material is slightly different compared to what we get. So I'll show you the summer one. So this is how the winter one looks. Okay. Now I've removed both the inner liners. So I'll show you first the winter one that was already attached to the helmet. So you can see the material. This is how it is. This is the side part. So basically there are 3 total parts that you have to remove. And I'll also show you the summer padding that we got, the extra one. You can see there's a clear cut difference in the material. So this is the winter one and this is the summer one. So you can see both are washable. That's a good thing. So if when it gets dirty, you can wash it. But this is the difference between both the padding. Alright, now I'll fix this also and show you how it looks. Now you can see I've changed it to the normal jo padding is available. The summer padding. This was the winter one. Now I have the summer one attached. You can see it's different. So this was a quick unboxing of this new Steelbird helmet. If you like this video, don't forget to hit on that like button. New to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon and follow me on Instagram at @rcmediahouse. See you again in my next video. Bye bye and stay safe.